favorites video. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you know from the title, is going to be a favorites video from the month of March. So this video is going to be extremely random. I have some fitness things, some workout gear, I have some makeup, I have some food. I just have everything. So let's just jump right into the video. You're probably like, what the fuck is that? I wanted to literally physically bring you each and every item that I'm talking about. So I'll get to that in 1 second. Starting with food, these are chicken burgers from the brand Empire, and they're actually so good. They do not take I put them in the oven on broil. I put it on for about like 6 or 7 minutes, flip it over, and then keep it on the other side for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's ready. And it's literally so good. You can eat it plain. I like to put it in a bun, or sometimes I'll like chop it up and like throw it in with some pasta. Literally, these are so good. They're so quick, and they're actual, like, it's a real chicken burger. There's not like some random crap in here. So the only ingredients in here are chicken, and this contains 2% or less of onion powder, sea salt, black pepper, natural flavor. The natural, I don't know what the natural flavor is, but besides that, everything in here is really good. So yeah. My next food item is kind of random. It's a little bit weird, but I'm not kidding you guys. I have these every single freaking day. These are what brand is this? Is the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. So I only have one of them to show you. This one's one of my favorite flavors. So this is the toasted coconut vanilla, but then my other favorite flavor is the toasted marshmallow. And yes, they're sweet, but they're so good. And I don't ever eat them plain because this would never fill me up. I actually put them on top of Kodiak Cakes. So my favorite flavor of Kodiak Cakes is the buttermilk one. They have like cinnamon oat, they have dark chocolate, peanut butter. I think it's like crunchy peanut butter. They have a whole bunch of flavors. I forgot to bring you the box. I will insert a picture, and if I can't insert a picture, I'll just leave the link down below, but they're Kodiak Cakes, and they're so good. So I make those. I put chocolate chips in them, so I have chocolate chip Kodiak Cakes, and then I put a yogurt on top, and just like, oh my god, they're so good, you guys. You have to try them out. So that's what I have pretty much every single day for breakfast. They're so good. So if you want me to film like how I make them, or maybe what I eat in a day video or something, one person did request that, so if more people request that, I'll definitely do that. So yeah, this is actually really, really good. Really. Okay, so I have 2 more food items. Actually, just kidding. I have 3 more food items. Okay, so I'm going to talk about protein bars now. This tastes amazing. I'll read the nutrition facts for you guys if you're curious. It's 200 calories, 7 grams of fat, 120 sodium, 22 carb, 5 sugar, 14 protein. Sorry, you can't see that, but these are literally, they taste so good. And not everyone's going to be a fan, but I am a big fan of those. Sticking with the bars and the chocolate mint flavor, guys, these Power Crunch chocolate mint bars, I don't really like any of the other flavors of these, but when you put these in the freezer, I just keep all of these. Those bars I keep just like in the pantry, but these I keep in the freezer. And if you keep them in the freezer, I'm not kidding you guys, you take them out and you eat them, and they literally taste like Girl Scout cookies. They taste like Thin Mints. They're so good. But I feel like these are even better. I don't know what it is to them. There's probably a bunch of crap in here, but it tastes so good. I'll just read it to you in case you couldn't see that. So it's 205 calories, 13 fat, 100 sodium, 10 carb, 5 sugar, and 13 protein. These are so good. These are really good. Okay, last food item. You guys, freshly made Avo Toast right here. So I'll make Avo Toast just by literally mashing up an avocado, putting it on a piece of toast, and then what makes this so good is the red chili flakes on top. So then I just put red chili flakes on top, and you guys, it tastes so good. You need to go try it out. Really. So in terms of makeup, so this is makeup remover. This is Clinique Take Off the Day Cleansing Balm. I really do think this works very well. I just wet my face. Obviously, I wash my hands, then I wet my face, and then I'll put a little bit of this balm on, rub it around my face, wash it off, and then I'll go ahead in with my face cleanser, wash my face, moisturize, do my skincare routine. But this stuff really does take off your makeup. I don't wear a full face of makeup every single day. I actually haven't worn foundation in probably 2 months. The only thing that I'm a little bit nervous about with this is the Clinique Take Off the Day cleansing balm. I used to use a Clinique moisturizer, dramatically different moisturizing gel, and it destroyed my face. There was so much alcohol in that product. I did buy the Tatcha water cream, which is amazing, but that was more of a fairly new purchase, so I want to make sure I can like use it 20 times before I recommend something that's gonna break the bank. Okay, so this was really good. The only thing is I'd look into how much alcohol this has in it because your girl got sensitive skin. Next is a blush. This blush, it's MAC's Melba. It is literally, you guys, I want you to be able to see how gorgeous that is. I really don't think the lighting is doing it justice at all. So, next is the Mercier translucent setting powder. I feel like you are not a makeup artist unless you do a line of this every single morning. Anyway, this is literally like the powder. I use it personally just to set my under eyes, not every single day, but some days I'll just use it to set my under eyes. If you take a damp beauty sponge right after you blend it in, I'm like trying to show you, right after you blend it in, you dip it in and just press it on. Oh my god, you press it on top. Foolproof, it's bulletproof, it's perfect. So yes, it's pricey, but they also have a smaller size, so if you want to try that out, or you can always just go to your local Sephora and ask for a sample, and they would be happy to give you a sample. You could try it out before you spend big bucks on setting powder, but it is really good. Your makeup will not move. It's amazing. My next two products are concealer from the drugstore and from the not drugstore. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. You guys, I have extraordinarily like the world's most sensitive skin ever. This works well for me. I'm in between the shade 15 Fair Claire and 20 Sand Sable, so I just mix both of them. I'm between 15 and 20. I don't think they have like a 17 or an 18, but these are so good. Formula inside is magic. So if you are looking for an amazing concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is going to be for you. Now, if you are looking to spend a couple more dollars, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm sure you've seen this on every single person's social media, is really an amazing concealer. But I have to say, I really do think the Maybelline does just as well. The only thing though is the Maybelline's like a touch less full coverage. This is like full ass coverage. I think both of them are phenomenal. I have 3 more beauty products. First is this bronzer. It's the Neutrogena bronzer, and I bought this a while ago, but then I didn't use it for a while, and I used it once and whatever, and then I like decided to give it another try, and let me tell you, this is beautiful. First of all, it's from the drugstore. You can walk into CVS and pick it up just for like a couple of bucks. It's so beautiful. I know you can't see it with the lighting here because the lighting in here sucks, but just take my word for it, this is phenomenal. And actually, I was watching a video, this must have been at least over a year ago, when I saw Casey Holmes use it, and it looked so good on her, and I was like, oh my god, I need to go out and buy it. Well, you need this in your life. My last 2 beauty products are mascara. So the first one is, the first one is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This has been all over social media. Now, this has been all over social media as a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Personally, I do not feel like they're exact dupes for each other. I do have that one. I ran out of it because it is a great mascara and I don't have it right now. I think why people made the connection in the first place, of course, is because of the bottle. It's a very similar bottle. Here is the Better Than Sex from Too Faced mascara, and this is the L'Oreal one. So you can see it has this like shiny baby pink packaging. The wand itself, let me show you guys with the wand itself looks very identical pretty much to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So the wand and the packaging, everything, the only thing is that the formula I do feel like is a little bit different. I feel like the Better Than Sex mascara can last you forever, like as long as you don't run out of it. In terms of consistency, and I feel like this one may dry up a little bit quicker, but I just feel like that one is a little bit wetter of a consistency, and this one is a touch more dry. I'm not saying it's a dry consistency, just comparing the two. I do really like it. Benefit Roller Lash, and this is a baby little one. I feel like this looks very, very natural on, but you can still have intense lashes, but they'll still look like your lashes if you know what I'm talking about. But these are phenomenal. So these, I don't know why I said that. This is phenomenal, so get your hands on that. These leggings, so I'm sure you've seen them all over social media. I love me a good pair of high-waisted leggings, and these guys really are high-waisted. They're amazing. The only bad thing I have to say about them is that they do pill. And I think if you're going to be spending like $98+ on leggings, they should not pill. It's a favorite of mine, not because of the sweatshirt, but because of the person behind this sweatshirt. This sweatshirt says it's a beautiful day to be alive, and it has Whitney Simmons fitness logo. She is a YouTuber here on YouTube. Duh! If you're interested in checking out a new fitness channel and you haven't heard of her before, I will leave her channel linked down below. Make sure you tell her that I sent you. I have been trying to get my hands on this sweatshirt for so long because this is something that she says every single day, and I think it's just like super inspiring, and it's so true. Like, is it not a beautiful day to be alive? Hello, every day that you're alive is a beautiful day to be alive. So I just really like that, and this sweatshirt is so comfortable. It's cropped. You saw when I stood up that it just goes to here. So I don't know if you could tell that fuzz, but that fuzz is literally throughout the whole sweatshirt and the hood. It's so comfortable. I've not put it through a wash yet, so I don't know how it holds up. I'm sure it holds up great. I just feel like Whitney is such an inspiring, motivational, funny, real life person that is awesome, and so I really wanted to just support her. I literally have been subscribed to her from when she was small to when now she has over 1 million, which is like crazy. I've definitely had that with a bunch of YouTubers like her, Casey Holmes, Jaclyn Hill, like a whole bunch of people, and obviously a lot more too. I've seen like grow from very small numbers, well not very small, but relatively small, to huge numbers. Like, can you imagine having over 1 million people on YouTube watch your videos? Like, that's crazy. I can't even picture 1 million people in one room. Like, that's crazy. They're Converse, and Converse I always size down, so these are my only pair of Converse right now, and I have a US size 5.5. I know, I have small feet. But some shoes I'm a 6, some shoes I'm a 6.5, but normally I'm a 6, but I could go from a 5.5 to a 6.5 pretty much. So you're probably like, why are you talking about Converse? Everyone loves Converse. They're so basic. Everyone has them, everyone loves them. Yes, but these are the only shoes I will wear for my leg day, because for whatever reason, actually I know the reason, I'll tell you. Because they're so close, like they have no arch, they're very flat to the floor, and because of this, you can feel your legs working, whether it be your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, whatever part of your leg you may be working that day, you can really feel them working. At least personally, they've helped me on my leg days so much. Now, if I'm running or anything like that, I will not wear Converse. I need arch support, I need comfortable shoes, and like, no. I've been trying to get my hands on the Adidas NMDs for a long time, and they have not been in stock in a style that I like and in my size, so crossing my fingers, hopefully I can get those and try them out for HIIT or just like upper body or something else. But these, let me tell you, if you are having trouble on your leg days, whether it be activating your muscles or just like feeling it, wear these, you will feel it. These are my last favorites of the month, and yeah. I already stopped the video, closed it out, I put on the lens cap, but I forgot to show you guys these. Literally every single day when I come home, I put these sweatpants on. I think they're 20 bucks from Brandy Melville. They're these. They're super, super comfy. I've definitely worn over 100 times, and I absolutely love them. If you guys enjoy this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. I hope you have a great rest of the day or night whenever you are watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!